Hey there, bookkeepers and business owners. It's Trudy at Maven, and this episode we're tackling something that can make or break your business: managing client expectations. Now, if you watched my very first episode, Credentials versus Credibility, you can find a link below if you haven't viewed it yet. Then you already know that in bookkeeping, credibility is your currency. And you also know that credibility requires both testimonials and referrals to flow with ease in your direction. And then in order to make that happen, you need one singular focus: meet or exceed all expectations. That's it. That's the secret sauce. You must deliver, period. When credibility is your currency, your word is your wealth. Why does that matter? Because when expectations are not clear, frustration is guaranteed for both parties. Not only will your trust meter take a nosedive with your clients, but your own frustration is going to go off the charts as well. Your business relationships are two-way streets, even with your clients. But when you get this one right, your clients will love you. They will stay loyal and they will refer to you like crazy. So let's break it down. Here are 8 proven strategies to set, manage, and exceed client expectations. Number 1, set and communicate clear goals. Align the goals with their business objectives, not yours. Keep them front and center, especially when new requests pop up. Clients need to know and to see how every action connects to their own success. Communicate a well-developed, detailed plan. Create a roadmap. Timelines, milestones, and deliverables all count, so spell it out. Set the expectations early. Clients need to know what's required of them also. So use this plan to track progress and adjust expectations when needed. Number 3, communicate changes proactively. Deadlines matter. Missed approvals equal missed results. So be upfront regarding risks. Let clients know what could go wrong before it does. Adjustments happen. Set expectations that pivots may be necessary. Number 4, communicate your process. Introduce your team. Clients want to know who's handling their books. Set clear promises. No surprises, just transparency and trust. So you're eliminating all the unknowns here. A clear process gives you confident clients. Number 5, communicate honestly about your own capabilities. What can you realistically achieve? Set the right benchmarks. Share case studies about what's possible, what's not, and be upfront about your own limitations. Honesty now will prevent a lot of problems later down the road. Number 6, communicate to clients about their market positions. Where do they really stand? Help them see the full picture. Set realistic expectations that some results take time, so educate them on the journey. Guide them step by step that long-term success always is better than quick fixes. Number 7, and this is the one to remember: underpromise and overdeliver. Avoid impossible deadlines and always build in buffer time. Surprise and delight your clients by delivering what you can early if you can. Trust is earned by consistency, so meeting commitments equals long-term loyalty. And number 8, over-communicate. Show them what's happening, even behind the scenes. Make sure your decision makers are very well informed, because no one likes to be left in the dark and it's not productive to the entire process. So, final takeaway: clear expectations are what equals happy clients, and that equals more business. So set goals that align with client success. Create a detailed plan and adjust it when needed. Be transparent, be honest, and educate. And most important, communicate like your business depends on it, because it actually does. Please like and subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped you. Let's keep building our businesses the right way. And here's that link to my Credentials versus Credibility episode. And next in our series, because it ties directly to expectations: family, friends, and finances. Taboo or time-honored tradition? Let's find out.